Welcome to Explore World YouTube channel. Number 1. Chimpanzee. Man's close relatives have an extraordinary ability to use tools, learn, and solve problems. Closest relative to humans genetically. Uses tools like sticks and stones, learns sign language, solves complex problems, strong memory skills, shows empathy and social bonding, uses teamwork during hunting, can recognize themselves in mirrors, learns by watching others, lives in complex social groups. 2. Dolphin. Especially bottled nose dolphins, having high levels of social intelligence, contact through complex sounds, and introspection. Highly social and playful. Uses unique vocal sounds to communicate. Understands symbols and gestures. Can learn human-taught tasks. Recognizes themselves in mirrors. Shows empathy and altruism. Uses tools like sea sponges. Solves puzzles and problems. Has a strong memory. Can mimic human behavior. Third elephant. Having features such as strong memory, empathy, mourning, and using tools. Remembers locations and water sources. Shows grief and mourning. Uses tools like branches. Highly social with tight family groups. Communicates with vibrations and sounds. Recognizes themselves in mirrors. Protects and helps weaker herd members. Solves problems and opens gates. Can learn human commands. Shows cooperation and planning. 4. Crow. A bird with exceptional ability to solve problems, make tools and recognize humans, makes and uses tools, solves multi-step puzzles, recognizes human faces, can hold grudges or give gifts, understands water displacement, like Aesop's fable, uses traffic to crack nuts, lives in complex social groups, plans ahead for future events, mimics sounds and voices, passes knowledge across generations. 5. Octopus. A high example of intelligence, especially solving complex problems in the lab and avoiding the environment. Excellent at escaping enclosures. Solves mazes and puzzles. Uses shells and coconut as tools. Can change color and texture for camouflage. Short-term and long-term memory. Learns by watching other octopuses. Can unscrew jar lids. Has individual personality traits. Reacts differently to humans. Navigates complex environments. 6. Parrot. The ability to learn, speak, and understand. The intelligence of African gray pert in particular is very popular, mimics human speech. Understands word meanings. Solves shape and color puzzles. Excellent memory. Can count and do basic math. Forms strong bonds with humans. Recognizes themselves in mirrors. Understands cause and effect. Can ask for things. Uses logic to make choices. 7. Dog. Very expert in training, following instructions, and building emotional connection. Levels of intelligence vary across generations. Learns commands quickly. Understands human emotions. Recognizes words and names. Solves basic puzzles. Forms strong social bonds. Can follow pointing and gestures. Shows loyalty and empathy. Learns routines and schedules. Some breeds detect diseases. Assists in therapy and rescue work. 8. Cat individual are known for learning, memory, and ability to solve the problem. Problem solvers. Excellent memory. Recognizes owner's voice. Understands cause and effect. Learns from experience. Can open doors and containers. Communicates using body language. Can be trained with patience. Shows affection and trust selectively. Uses observation to learn. 9. Pig are very intelligent, skin learners and emotionally sensitive animals. Learns commands like dogs. Solves complex mazes. Excellent memory. Very clean animals. Communicates with vocal sounds. Uses mirrors to find hidden food. Forms social hierarchies. Learns tricks and tasks. Shows emotions and empathy. Responds to names. Successfully perform complex tasks in experiments. 10th. Pigeon faces are best understood in recognition, in finding a way, and in memory. Recognizes human faces. Can find their way from long distances. Solves visual puzzles. Learns symbol letter matching. has long-term memory, can distinguish between art styles, used in wartime messaging, understands abstract concepts, can count and categorize, adapts well to city life.